Namaste, this is Uma Venkatesh from Deepam Yoga. Let us offer our salutations to sage Patanjali, who is the father of yoga. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotum pravaram muninam Patanjalim pranjalim ranatosmi. Our salutations to sage Patanjali, who has given yoga to remove the impurities of mind, speech by grammar, and body by Ayurveda. Yoga is beneficial for physical fitness, musculoskeletal fitness, and cardiovascular health. It is beneficial for management of diabetes, hypertension, hypotension, anxiety, and stress, and even lifestyle disorders. Yoga is a process of creating a body and mind that are stepping stones, not hurdles, for a fulfilling life. So let us all practice yoga. And on this occasion, I wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. Keep doing yoga, be healthy, be happy, and thank you so much.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ದೈಹಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ದೃಢತೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೋಗಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಯೋಗ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿ ಉಮಾ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ದೀಪಂ ಯೋಗದ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿಯವರು. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪಂಕ್ಚುವಲ್, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ರೊಟೀನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೀ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಷನರ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಉಮಾ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್. ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಾದ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೋಗಾ ಡೇ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
Everyone, I'm Shailaja from Deepam Yoga Center. I wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. On this special day, I would like to talk how yoga helped me to reduce my anxiety within 2 months. Since the time of my delivery, I had been experiencing anxiety for no reason, and this current pandemic situation aggravated my panic level. A few days, I have tried to do yoga by seeing YouTube videos, but that really didn't work out. That's when I noticed about Deepam Yoga Center and joined the class. To overcome from anxiety, to eliminate negative thoughts, and to become more confident, I follow this. I am regular to classes. Throughout the day, I focus on my breath. I make a note of all the tips my trainer shares. I practice the hard postures during weekends to make it more perfect. Moreover, it is helping me keep a routine intact, and I feel very much relaxed after the class. So here is special thanks to my yoga trainer Uma ma'am for being a very good mentor. I have never found a person as acknowledgeable as you, and that makes me feel special to be your student. Thank you once again, ma'am, for all your support. Will continue to chant your positive mantra, that is I am happy, I am healthy, and I am successful. Thank you everyone.
Namaskar. This time's International Yoga Day theme is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. And I think this is very apt given the situation of pandemic that we are facing all across the world. I have been very fortunate myself that with Deepam Yoga and under the guidance of Mrs. Uma, I've been motivated to embrace yoga at home and also adopt a very healthy lifestyle. Even as a family, since I think my daughter has been going to the same institution, we have both discovered a sense of oneness and bonding over yoga. So for all those people who thought yoga is just about a few asanas and breathing techniques, let me tell you, you're wrong, because it's a holistic approach to life. It's a science, it's an art where you can connect with yourself physically, spiritually and mentally. So wishing all of you a happy International Yoga Day. Namaskar.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚಾರ್ವಿ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಚಕ್ರಾಸನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Hello everyone. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, I would like to say a few words. Yoga boosts self-esteem and confidence. It brings physical and mental discipline to achieve a peaceful body and mind. We all have taken up yoga for various reasons, but are we regular and consistent? Take a moment and think about it. Consistency is key to one's yoga program. Through this, you will develop greater body awareness and you notice changing dynamics in your body. Regularity in practice can help to build muscle, boost metabolism, improve breathing, and increase circulation. I would like to give 5 tips which will help you in your journey to good health. 100% commitment towards yoga. Prioritizing your health and being selfish in that. One may get 100 excuses for not doing yoga, but find one reason to do it. That will be your inspiration. Take motivation from your own body, which is showing positive difference. Last but not the least, make yoga a habit. Before taking leave, I would like to quote the words of a famous personality. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Let's take an oath to be regular in yoga. Wishing all a very happy International Yoga Day. Thank you.